How to delete comment history on TikTok. Let's get started. Open your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the profile. After you land to the profile, at the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now go to the option settings and privacy. Now over here you will find different sections. Under content and display you can find the option of comment and watch history. Open this option. Go to the option comment history. From here you can easily delete the comment. Over here you're gonna find all of your comments that you have made. In order to delete the comment, tap on it. With that you're gonna find your comment, and what you have to do is long press on it. Select the option of delete. Likewise go back and do the same for other comments as well. Open it. Long press on the comment. Select the option delete. Right now within TikTok, there is no such option to delete all the comments at once, but you can just open manually each of these and delete it. So this is how you can delete comment history on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.